Freddie and I are going to break down Chaturanga. It's one of the poses that we see a lot of misalignments in, and it's also done quite a bit in a vinyasa practice. So Chaturanga done correctly creates a lot of strength in the body and power. Chaturanga done incorrectly creates injury, wrists, elbows, shoulder, rotator cuff specifically. So we're going to go over a few ways to check yourself before you wreck yourself in your Chaturanga. First thing we're going to do is use a strap. So for today, you'll need a strap and 2 blocks. For this first technique we're going to do, Freddie's going to make a loop in the strap, which he's already done. That is his shoulder distance apart. So the strap is shoulder width apart. It's right above the elbow crease. He's going to come into his plank pose. Good. So what we're looking for in Chaturanga, and one of the things that we see a lot, is shoulders dipping too low when students lower down. So this strap is a great tool to show you exactly how high your shoulders should be. Keeping the head of the arm bones back is another thing that we need to do as we lower. So we don't want the shoulders to round forward. We want to keep the head of the arm bones moving back. Freddie's going to slowly lower. He's going to shift forward first and then lower. Good. So his shoulders can't come any lower. That strap is actually holding him up here. So this is a really nice way to check yourself. And then he's going to flip his feet and come into upward facing dog. Again, head of the arm bones back, head back. He's going to move right into downward facing dog from here. Great, and then he's going to come down onto his knees. Remove the strap. The next technique will tell us if our elbows are where they need to be. So Freddie's going to be using these 2 blocks. They're going to be shoulder width. Again, his hands will come in front of the blocks. And we'll start again in plank pose. Legs engaged, navel to spine, fullness in the back body. Before he comes forward to Chaturanga, he's going to do this little shift where he's going to bring his heels forward so that his shoulders move beyond his wrists, more over his fingertips. He's going to keep fullness in the kidneys as he lowers down. Look at his elbow. This is the right angle we're looking for. Shoulders are not any lower than the elbows. From here, he's going to pull through and come to upward dog. Hips are lifted, knees are lifted. This whole area is lifted here. Beautiful. Shoulders back, skull back. And from here, he's going to come right back to downward facing dog. The blocks, they'll come down there, but that's okay. So Freddie, come down for a moment onto your knees and let's just show what happens when you don't do this correctly with the blocks. So if Freddie came to his plank pose and didn't do that little shift, a lot of students don't know about this little shift that has to occur before we lower down. If he doesn't do that and lowers down, bam, the blocks fall. The angle at the elbow is too much. It's just not so great for the body. Excellent. Thanks so much. I hope this helps you in your practice.